Hey guys, Miss Ford here. I don't want to share my video because I'm going to be right on the screen, and as you guys know, that means that my face gets really close to the camera, and nobody wants to see Miss Ford's face that closely. Aha, adverb, closely, haha. Okay, so we've been talking about subjects and predicates, and I know that you guys have a quiz coming up, so I want to make sure that we have time to go through this and make sure that you understand everything. So let's first talk about subjects, and then we'll move to predicates, and then we'll look at examples. Remember, subjects are going to be our noun or our pronoun. Okay, noun or the pronoun. So person, place, thing, idea, or words that take the place of those in the sentence. So it could be car, boy, it, they, us, any of those things. And the subject in the sentence, how we find this, is who or what the sentence is about. And just something to remember, guys, no subject means not a sentence. So we have to have a subject in order for it to be a sentence, okay? So we focus on the nouns and the pronouns, and we talk about who or what the sentence is about, okay? The predicate, though, is the verb. And we've talked before in class about the fact that verbs can be action or the state of being. The state of being is the I am, are, words like that. So it could be the action or state of being. We also have other types of verbs. We have like helping verbs, things like that. We're just going to focus on if it's the action or the state of being, whether it's helping or not, it's still part of the predicate. It's the verb. Okay. We'll get into more of those as we go throughout the course. Okay. So as we talk about the verb and the predicate, we want to say the what is happening. Okay, what is happening in the sentence? Now, for both of these, we have what's called the simple form. So the simple predicate is just the verb. Okay, the complete predicate is the full answer to the question is what is happening. And I hope you guys don't hear my dog. He's slopping water all over the floor right now. Okay, so it answers the question, what is happening? Simple subject or simple predicate is just the verb. Complete predicate is the full answer to what is happening, okay? We want to start by just knowing the simple predicate. It's good to know the complete predicate, but we really want to make sure that we're starring simple predicate. I want to know where my verb is. I want to know what my I want to know that I have a subject and a verb in there. Okay. When we talk about the predicate, or when we talk about the subject in a sentence, we can have a simple subject like I, or just a name like John. Okay, these are both examples of simple subjects. We can also have a compound subject. Just like a compound word is two words together, we have a compound subject, which would be John and I, or Sally and Susie. You can't spell Susie apparently. Sorry, guys. Sally and Susie. okay? More than one of the names, more than one person, okay? Let's take a look at an example sentence. Keep it kind of simple. I went to the park. In this sentence, and by the way, guys, I like to color code things. It does help to kind of keep track of them. So you'll see me use subject is green and predicate is blue. But in this sentence, the first part that we want to identify is the subject. The subject of this sentence is I. Okay? I'm the one doing the action. The simple predicate in this sentence is went. What did I do? I went. My complete predicate is I went to the park. Okay? What did I do? I went. Okay? Where did I go? I went to the park. To the park adds to our complete predicate. Okay? Park is a noun. So yes, we could say, oh, but there's a noun at the end of this sentence. Right, there is a noun at the end of this sentence. But what happened? Can park do something? No, park didn't do anything. So it can't be the subject. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see. English class, Tori did her Lexia practice. I have a few nouns in this sentence. I'm going to go ahead and highlight and find my nouns with red. English class is a noun. It is a thing. Tori is a noun. And Lexia is a noun. Name of a specific thing. Oh, and I forgot I have a pronoun up here. Okay, so I have a lot of nouns. What are my verbs? I'm going to do this in a different color. After English class, no verb in there. Did, yeah, she can do that. Practice, yeah, she can practice. Oh, but practicing her Lexia is one thing. That's a thing that's together. Let's see. Well, I have a lot of nouns, so maybe I'll start by looking for the predicate. Predicate is did her Lexia practice? Right? Our simple predicate is did. What did she do? Her Lexia practice. Oh, but who was it? Who or what did Lexia practice? It is Tori. Tori did Lexia practice. So Tori is my subject. Guys, we can add all kinds of words and phrases and all kind of other information. But when we're talking about the subject and the predicate, we're just looking for those specific things, okay? We can add adjectives and adverbs and conjunctions and prepositional phrases. I know you guys are like, ooh, Miss Ford, that sounds like a really bad dessert or something. It's not. We'll talk about those later. But we want to just focus on making sure that we're finding the subject and the predicate, okay? If you guys still have questions, let me know. If not, see you soon.